1, 2, 3. Okay.
Complete.
Yeah, we have all of them. Fantastic. I don't know. I don't know. You know? Do you know which one is number one? Can you tell me? Normal. Okay, this one's normal. Fruity flavor.
Peach.
Peach, grape. Oh, yeah, moji manju. Lemon. Hasaku? Apple? Ringo?
Lemon.
Lemon? Ah. Moji manju.
Like grapefruit.
Oh, grapefruit. Ah, grapefruit. Oh. Maybe Zim. Maybe I'll get everything. Yeah, I'll get everything. Yeah. Easy. Yeah, easy. Got my money. Yeah, I'll get everything. Yeah. Why not? Moji manju. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Let's go. Moji manju. Lemon. Oh, here we go.
Okay.
Oh, oh no.
Oh, cola sold out.
Cola sold out. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Grapefruit.
Yes.
Okay. Momo. Oh, nice helping.
Hey.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Oh, nice. Oh no. More money. Okay. Grape. Yeah. Oh, yes, look at this. Good service. It's good.
Lemon.
What? Oh, my money keeps coming out. Lemon? Did I get lemon?
This lemon.
Oh, this lemon. Different lemon. Put all the money in. Lemon sparkling. Oh, nice. Yeah. Normal. Hey, look at this. Hey. Normal. And
Okay.
20.
Okay.
Normal. Yeah. Okay. I think we have everything. Okay. Let's just put them here. Just put them here for now. And then I will buy you a drink. I'll buy you a drink because you have been so helpful. Okay. Oh, no, one more for me. Which one? Because you're so nice people. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I have enough. Which one? Yeah.
I want this.
Okay. No problem. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, we can do it.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia?
Yeah. I am an English teacher.
Oh.
Yeah. I live in Fuchu. Yeah. Please
Okay.
choose. Yeah. No problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
And then last one. Okay, please choose. Yeah, no problem. Normal. Yeah, nice one. Thank you. Thank you for helping. Thank you. Nice. Thank you.